What's going on, everybody? Today, we're going to go over PortaTempo, which is SynthFam DSP's new app that's out. It uses Ableton Link to keep all your devices' tempos in sync, and it's available for iPhones and iPads and AUv3, which we're running right now. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you want to get in on beta tests or find out more information, there's a link to the Discord below. And without further ado, let's go. For our first demo of PortaTempo, we're going to use it in its AUv3 plugin inside the host app, AUM. AUM is a great application. I love it. I use it all the time. And so what we're going to do is we're going to show the benefits of PortaTempo in this kind of scenario. So in our setup, we have patterning, we have like a filter, we have Symposium, and it's all running through a chain, and then it goes out to the speakers. So if we start that, we'll hear some playback right now, which sounds really nice, you know, just kind of some lo-fi, weird sound noises and stuff. But when you're in AUM and you want to change the tempo, you can double tap it and dial it in, or if you just do these arrows, you can just change it by tenths. But when you're kind of, you know, in your kind of flow, in your mode and stuff like that, and say you're trying to play with things and stuff like that, you know, to try to do both becomes kind of a lot. So what you can kind of do, let's go ahead and close some of this stuff down right now, is in PortaTempo, you can start setting up, you know, set list and favorites that we went over in the previous video. But again, you can start doing your ramp controls and get those set up so that way it can happen when you want over a certain amount of time, freeing up your hands to do other things. So let's go ahead, and what we're going to do is we're going to make this go over, we'll do 16 bars right now. I think that's 16. And we're going to go from 87 BPM to 70. And again, if you want to see an overview of the controls, there's a previous video that came before this one where we go over all the features of PortaTempo. So let's go ahead and start our ramp controls, and then we're going to close this down. And as the tempo is changing, we can do things like this, where let's switch our beats here, and then make the keyboard go away here. We can break our beat. And so this is all possible because our tempo is naturally slowing down up here, which allows us to do other things. And it frees up, you know, our hands to do some filter work and stuff like that, and just control other parts of the music while the tempo is just changing, you know. So now our tempo has changed. We were able to kind of like keep our groove going and stuff like that, all while the music never stopped, which is super handy. Another handy way that you can use PortaTempo is if you have multiple devices. So currently we are still in our AUM setup and we have our plugin running here, but sometimes even on a screen as you're performing, real estate can get out of, or real estate can be a precious commodity. So we're going to hit start right now and wait for AUM to catch up, and our music is going to be running. But one of the handy kind of things is if you have like another device, is just bring PortaTempo on in, and then you got your full screen for everything else, and then you have it on a different screen. So let's go ahead and set up our, let's do a set list on this one. We're going to keep it kind of short. The set list is going to start after 20 seconds of playing it. And let's choose the hip hop preset. We're going to drag it down here, close our favorites, and then start our playlist right now. So now we can close our playlist, and as you can see, there's a little timer that tells you how much time is going to go. But what this allows us to do is to keep performing on our device. So, right, we're going to open up the filter on the low end of patterning to bring out some of the kick and stuff for drums, and open up the high end on patterning as well, while we're also controlling the filter and the reverb on Symposium. And you can hear that the tempo's kicking up right now. We're going to close that down, and what we can do now is, as the tempo's ramping up, we're gonna switch our beat right here on the. And that's another way, using multiple devices. And if we open up here, you can see that all the tempos are in sync. And if we change the tempo over here, it changes PortaTempo over there. But the idea with this is to save some of the screen real estate on your device, and you can bring in another device. Oh, because it's on loop. So we just looped our playlist. So that's our set list. That just happened. But yeah. Let's go ahead and stop that. Yeah, it's on loop. Let's go ahead and hit stop on that. The last demo I want to go over today is how I use a lot of my apps in general, which is with modular and hardware. Again, this is not required to use any of the apps, but just kind of showing, while PortaTempo is handling like tempo changes and even the ability just to quickly change the tempo, what your other hands can be doing. So I have a little skiff today, just with some modules. We got elements, we got rings, we got Qubit Bloom, the first edition, doing our sequence, and just some effects, and it's all going out, and we're going to record. And I have this little Happy Circuit ML2. That's our Ableton Link from PortaTempo to this thing to control our device. And we're just going to do like a little demo. Might sound kind of whack, might be kind of fun, but we're just going to go for it. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and hit play. And we're going to set up a little playlist right now as this thing begins. As you can hear, we'll get our set list, not playlist, going, and we're just going to actually do the thing that's kind of interesting, which is to have these things loop. So we're going to drag in an ambient, which is 70 BPM, and then we'll also drag in a ballad, which I think the difference between these two is about 10 BPM. We're going to have them on 20-second intervals, and also they have the same ramp information, which is 10 bars, over 10 bars. So now we're going to kick off the set list here to start playing and looping. So now we can start, as this thing is controlling our tempo, we can start doing our other things here. And while it is controlling our tempo, we're free to do these other things with our hands. But again, you can always, and you can hear our tempo ramping right now, and you can see our app is ramping. And now we're starting to mutate our fractal sequencer. And you can hear our tempo is still changing. And now it's going down. And again, every 10 seconds or so, it's going to ramp and change, which if I had a clocked effect, like a clock delay, you would hear that kind of tape spread and smear, which sounds really cool. But those effects are in a different case. But like I said before, any given time, we can stop, our things and just change it manually. Let's go lower. We got here, and we'll just start this off now. Slowing it down. And then we can kick our set list back on and just have our set list loop again. And again, the whole idea is just that we're having like control over our tempo as if it's like another like facet of our performance. Instead of just having it set, we can change the time and have it just kind of smear, creating these crescendos of like rhythms and different kinds of like textures and stuff like that, all messing with our time. Thank you for checking out the demo video of our new app, PortaTempo, which is available in the App Store. And if you're looking to join our community, again, the links for the Discord is down in the description. And I do think, though, that if you do like what we're doing, to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. we check our comments all the time just to try to have communications with our community and just know that we're always watching and looking to improve from your feedback. And stay tuned because we have many more apps coming soon and more updates to the existing apps that we've already put out. So stay tuned. And thank you again for your support and checking out the video. And check out one of these other videos that we also like. Somewhere, it's somewhere over there or somewhere. Thank you.